In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Monday.com board to Excel. If you need to save your board data, share it outside of Monday.com, or work with the information in a spreadsheet, exporting to Excel is a simple and useful option. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it from start to finish, and I'll also mention what to look for once the file has been downloaded so you can make sure everything exported correctly. To begin, open the Monday.com board that you want to export. Make sure you're on the correct board before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple boards with similar names or related projects. Taking a second to confirm this now can help you avoid exporting the wrong data and having to repeat the process later. Once the board is open, go to the board menu by clicking the three-dot icon. This menu contains additional board options and settings, so if you don't immediately recognize it, just look for the small three-dot button in the board area. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can take. From that menu, select More Actions. This opens another set of options related to managing and working with the board. The export feature is located here, which is why this step is important. If your workspace looks slightly different, don't worry. Monday.com occasionally updates its interface, but the general path is usually very similar. Next, click Export Board to Excel. As soon as you select this option, Monday.com will begin preparing your board data for export. Depending on the size of the board and how much information it contains, this may take a few moments. Larger boards with many groups, items, updates, or columns can take a little longer, so give the platform a moment to finish processing. After that, wait for Monday.com to create the file. During this stage, it's best not to interrupt the process. Once the export is ready, you'll be able to download the Excel file. Save it to a location on your device where you can easily find it, such as your Downloads folder or a project folder you use regularly. Finally, open the Excel file and check it to confirm that the board exported properly. Review the rows, columns, and key data points to make sure the content matches what you expected from the original board. This quick final check is helpful because it lets you catch any formatting issues or missing information right away. And that's it. That's how to export a Monday.com board to Excel quickly and accurately.